Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put together the kit for Sled Tug-O-War. It comes with string, a cart pulleys, a pulley ring, wheels, washers, paper clip, and tracks. All right. When students are ready, they're going to take their cart and place a wheel on each of the dowels. It should look like this. Then they can place that onto their track. Next, they're going to put together their pulley. You're going to take the pulley ring and a wheel and insert the wheel inside of the pulley ring. Then you're going to take the wheel inside of the pulley and bring it onto your pulley, and you're going to pop it into place. It should look like this. You're going to take your pulley and insert it at the end of your track. You want to make sure to give it a little bit of room. You're going to do the same thing with your second pulley. And insert it on the opposite end. Now that your track is created, you're going to go ahead and take some string and cut it to your desired length. Next, you're going to take your string and you're going to take it through the cart. Now that the string is threaded through the cart, we want to go ahead and stretch out our string. You're going to use your paper clips and you're going to tie it to the end of your string. Your paper clips are what is going to hold your washers. Now that your paper clips are on, you want to make sure your string is lining onto the wheels at the end of your pulleys. If you want to give your track some height to make sure that students are able to see the actual pulling from the washers, you can take a box and place the track on top of it. Now, students are able to put as many washers as they would like on each side of their track. And they will hang their washers onto the paper clip. And then they can repeat this on the opposite side. And then the more washers that they add to each side, the more they will see the cart move. Thank you.